In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly navigate your way through Shopify's interface to filter your store's content, making it easier for your customers to find exactly what they're looking for. Whether you're a newbie to Shopify or looking to brush up on your skills, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to fine-tune your store's navigation and search capabilities. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to access your Shopify admin. Begin by navigating to the Shopify website. Once there, you'll see the option to log in. Click on this and prepare to enter your credentials. The process is straightforward and secure, ensuring only authorized users can access your account details and dashboard. Upon clicking the login link, you'll be prompted to enter your store's unique identifier or your email. It's essential to get this right to ensure you're managing the correct store. Type it in carefully. Shopify's interface is user-friendly, guiding you through the process seamlessly. After you've entered your identifier or email, you'll see an option to continue with your email. Click on this to proceed. You might also see login alternatives, such as continuing with Google, which can streamline the process even further if your Shopify account is linked to a Google account. If so, you'll be asked to choose an account for login. Select the relevant account to continue. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Shopify admin dashboard. This central hub is where all the magic happens, from managing products to analyzing sales. But let's focus on navigation for now. In the admin dashboard, locate and click on the navigation section. This area is crucial for managing how your customers find what they're looking for in your store. Inside the navigation section, your next step is to customize how the menus and links appear on your site. Shopify allows for extensive customization here, giving you the power to guide your customers' experience on your site. For the purpose of this guide, we'll focus on filtering and improving search functions within your store. Shopify's App Store is a treasure trove of tools and enhancements for your online store, including apps specifically designed to improve search and filtering capabilities. To find these, navigate to the Shopify App Store and search for Search and Filter. This will bring up a variety of apps designed to enhance how customers search for products on your site. When you find an app that suits your needs, click on Install. This process is usually quick and seamless, integrating the app with your store with minimal fuss. Each app will come with its own set of instructions for customization and setup, ensuring it works perfectly with your store's unique layout and design. Let me add a few pointers to ensure you make the most out of this process. First, consider how your customers use your site. What are they searching for the most? This insight can guide you in setting up your filters and search criteria. Furthermore, regularly updating and maintaining your product tags and descriptions can significantly enhance the effectiveness of search and filter apps. It ensures your products are easily discoverable, improving the overall shopping experience on your site. Also, don't hesitate to explore different apps to find the one that best fits your store's needs. Shopify's App Store is vast, with options catering to a wide range of requirements and budgets. Read through reviews and maybe even test a few before deciding on the best fit for your store. Implementing advanced search and filter functions on your Shopify store can dramatically improve how customers interact with your site. It makes their shopping experience smoother and more enjoyable, which can lead to increased satisfaction and sales. So take the time to explore these features, customize them to suit your store, and watch as your customer engagement and conversions start to rise. That wraps up our guide on how to filter in Shopify, making it easier for your customers to navigate your online store. Remember, the key to a successful e-commerce site is a seamless user experience, and with these steps, you're well on your way to achieving just that. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success in elevating your Shopify store.